Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can give access to your OneDrive files to another person. So let's get right into it. Now, OneDrive is a cloud storage service, pretty much the same as Google Drive is for Google systems. This is pretty much the same, but only for Microsoft systems or Microsoft's thing in general. It is Microsoft's own proprietary software or service, and it is used to upload files, save them online so that you have backups, transfer them from one device to another, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, I have a couple of files in my OneDrive storage, and as you will see here, all of them are private. Now, this password tutorial file, I have just created that a few minutes ago, and it is automatically private, meaning that it isn't shared with anybody else and only I can access it. Now, to change this, what you can do is right click on it and then manage access. Here you can add different people with whom you can share this file and who will be able to access that file from their own OneDrive. Now, another thing you can do is just click on this share button and you will do pretty much the same thing. Enter the email or name of anyone you would like to share this with. Copy the link if you want to send it textually. You can edit how they can see it, whether they can only view it or edit it, and so on and so forth. And you can also do the same just by right clicking and clicking share, and it's pretty much the same process. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.